important legal propositions raised by the learned counsel are the effect of production of 6 witnesses and documentary evidence exhibit P1 to exhibit P15 by the plaintiff in affirmative, in comparison to a solidarity witness of respondent defendant Muhammad Riaz as DW1. This is a second appeal, the parameters for determining the propositions are within the rights granted under section 100 CPC and are, therefore, required to be examined in this context. Full stop. It always is the quality of evidence, which decides the fate of the dispute, the numerical strength of witnesses or documents, if they are doubtful and open to dispute, does not help the cause. Full stop. In the present matter, the witnesses produced by the plaintiffs petitioners are of a poor quality, there are serious lapses in their testimony tendered, it is correct that not cross-examining a witness, in civil proceedings means that the statement to that extent stands admitted, full stop. But in the present matter, as stated earlier, a part of testimony, not cross-examined cannot be read in isolation, upon appraisal of entire evidence, the viewpoint of the courts below is correct and thus, full stop. Likewise, the pivotal document exhibit P1 is manifestly doubtful, qua not only the manner and mood in which it was executed, but also serious legal omissions in due execution rock the very foundation of this document, therefore, the numerical strength of the petitioners, witnesses or documents is of no use, full stop.